Okay, guys, we are back.
Yes.
And now we're going to burp. Let's do this.
I came over my.
We gotta be loud because
Okay.
we have to like scream so you can
Because
hear us.
her speaker sucks. Okay.
Oh wait, it's right there. Maybe if we hold on, scoot it
I took a drink of mine
closer, but
already.
it's still got our faces in. All right, does this work
Hey,
a
is
little
that
bit?
better? Okay, maybe
How
it
you
is.
doing?
That was awkward. Okay. Are you
Watch,
ready for this?
and I go. Ah! It goes up.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh. Okay.
don't. I don't want to chug it. Oh, that was weak. Ew.
Ew! That was a good one.
Ew, it burns. Ew, that's foamy. No, that sucked really bad.
I got this one.
mm.
Dang! Okay.
I just made a really unattractive face. How you doing? I give that 6.3.
Ew! That was weird.
We're such ladies. Gotta move it even closer. You can't hear us, like,
I'm
at
sorry.
all. I'm not used to this yet.
Yeah. This is not a good angle at all.
Shut up.
We just need to scooch back.
No, we need to be close to it.
Okay.
We need to get
I'm good.
like a
You're just
micro.
not.
Shut the. I love you,
Okay. Okay.
buddy, old pal.
Okay. I'm gonna spill my pop. Alright. You ready
Calm
for
the
my
nerves.
burps?
Oh yeah, look. Pepsi. Wait, Pepsi.
Pepsi.
Look, free advertisement, man. We just
Yeah,
like
look at
sold a
that.
case of Pepsi.
We are good.
Buy
Okay.
Pepsi. It's delicious. I don't know.
I
It's
don't, I
just
don't
good
know.
for burps, I guess.
We're gonna like kick on it. I forget that.
Hmm? Ew. Oh, that was weak. That was weak. That was weak. You can. The bar barely moves up though.
Ready? Ready?
Wonder if I. Wonder. Ooh,
Ew.
close
Ew.
up.
Ew.
Close
No,
up.
no, okay.
How you doing? What if I like? Hello. I wonder what that looks
Oh my
like.
god, the bar like went really close.
It probably got really loud for a minute. If you were like, "Oh damn!" Wait, I'm gonna tap. Ready? Damn! Did I do it? Ashley does it so much better.
Damn.
Damn!
Our face is just so funny.
Oh man, we can't get a good one.
I think I won this one.
You burped. You laughed.
I burped when I laughed. That felt weird.
I feel one brewing. Watch. I can go cross-eyed. Hold on. Watch. Could you see it? Was it good? Ready?
Sounds like a retard. I'm sorry, retards all out there. I just didn't mean to say that. Ow! Whoa.
You just explained yourself. What the heck?
What is your problem? I don't even know what
Your
you're
mom
talking
is
about.
my problem.
That was
Wait.
rude. Yeah, take your contacts
Watch.
out.
No, I don't. I'm just gonna move it. You can't see it. That's bull. Hold on.
Sorry, guys, I'm texting.
Ah! It's messed up. I can't see. Ouch. Is it on the right spot?
I was texting Brody.
Is it on the right spot?
Yeah.
It feels weird.
Ha. I just gave him a shout out. Ha ha ha.
Big shout out to Brody. Don't really know you, but hey, how you doing?
He's gonna be like, what the heck?
We should call Mercedes. Wonder if she wants to get in on this.
I don't know.
Wonder if Lauren ever texts back. Wow, look at that.
One bed, two bitch.
3B. Got it.
Got it.
Oh, by the way, this is the Chocolate Touch. Freaking awesome
Wait.
phone.
I got Voyager. Oh wait, you can't see my background. My bad. Voyager.
Your phone just sucks.
I know, but it's okay. See, my screen doesn't even work.
Ow. My arm really hurts. I shouldn't mess with that. Wonder how long that. 5 minutes?
Dang!
We just wasted 5 minutes of our life trying to burp and it didn't even work. Blah.
I'm sorry, I'm texting. Okay, my bad.
Okay, whatever.
Alright, are we done? Mine's like all gone.
I got like half killed. But don't ruin it. That was weak. Did it make the bar jump? They're like, I ain't your chicken wing.
That was so loud. Oh
Did
my
I ever
gosh.
tell you the story about the chicken wing?
No.
Okay,
We can tell it on a different video. This is already long enough.
But I can't really tell it. I mean, someone sees it.
The chicken video? Oh, well then we can't do it.
Yeah, we can.
No, we can't. We're gonna get in trouble.
Code names.
Okay, we got our code names.
Like freaking
Birdman?
bird. No, it's the eagle.
Eagle? Okay.
No, freaking.
Eagle?
What's a fat bird?
A fat bird. A peacock. I don't know.
Peacock.
I don't know.
Get it?
Peacock.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Sorry.
have to fart again. Did I just say that out loud?
Oh my gosh, you did not just say that.
Oh, sorry. This can't get on YouTube then.
That sucks.
Well, here's the nasty tongue. Sarah thinks my tongue's so gross. You know what?
Oh,
Here it
here's
is.
a shout out to Sarah too.
Here it is. Ready? What's so gross about that? Really? Do you
I think it's pretty gross.
I want you to comment and tell me if you think my tongue's gross. I mean, there's nothing wrong with a big tongue. Okay, get over it. Wait, look, watch this. Look at that. That's talent. Yeah, that's talent. Ready? I don't know if you can see, but if you look really close, there's a scar on my tongue from when I was like 1, and I got bit it off. See if you can see it.
Yeah, you can see it.
Isn't that sick?
It's pretty
disgusting.
It's pretty gross.
It's really gross. I don't remember it, so I mean that's cool. Ew. I need to spit now. Well, peace.
Peace. Oh wait. Peace.
Get it away. Get it away.
Peace.